It's such a great evening right here in the city of Lagos. As you already know, that Plugtv Live brings to you all of the events happening right here in the city of Lagos. And of course, it's Ember month, so everyone is all out to, for the dirty December. But guys, this is such a great evening as I'm super excited because this is the May edition of the Humour Awards tagged the Revolution. But I'm going to call it the New Revolution because this is the first of its kind where we get to appreciate the comedians, the skitters all over and across Nigeria. Guys, come along with me as we all set to bring you amazing guests and also the nominees nominated at different categories for this great award. It's your girl, Eddie Berry, and this is Blaq TV. If you're yet to subscribe, please endeavor to subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'll be right back. Do not go anywhere.
Hi, what's up? It's your boy, Mr. Kid Hypertension. This is the Humour Awards Africa, and this is the biggest in Nigeria. Happening to us, this means a lot to the industry. Recognizing comedians means a lot. Tonight, I'm outside. I'm one of the hosts. I'm going to be the pre-event host tonight. I'll be going up on stage any moment from now. I just came outside to do this stuff. Big shout out to Plug Lifestyle TV. Plug TV, the best. Keep running, keep plugging, keep doing, man. I'm dripping 100%. Stop doing.
So guys, we're still live here at the first edition of the Humour's Award, and I'm super excited because I've got one of the nominees here. He's a cartoon illustrator. Good evening, sir. How you doing?
I feel good.
All right,
good
so
evening.
tell me how super excited you are to be here tonight.
Really, I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a wonderful night.
Right.
From what I've seen so far,
Okay.
it's going to be a very great night. So
All right.
I'm happy to be here.
All right, so how did you feel when you got the nomination of this award?
Yeah, I feel good. Being somebody who's always behind the computer and
Right.
where you don't always let your face show, and then you are being identified from the crowd. You feel good.
Right.
Yeah, it's good. It's good that one's work has been noted.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the Humour Awards and I'm super excited because I have with me here one of the greatest comedians of our time.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Tell them. Gossip it.
One of the greatest comedians of our time. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you gynecologist, right?
Yeah. I'm the one that called the hilarious, the craziest, the
Oh,
only
shit.
understanding comedian in Nigeria.
You don't
My name
know.
is Adekola.
Okay.
Come on.
All right, so tell me something. How do you feel about this great award tonight? What can you say about
No,
this?
seriously, I feel very blessed. Why? That now it was my time. They start
Right.
awarding comedians.
Right.
This is Humour Award, the first edition.
So guys, with me here is one of the representatives of the Roro Nation, Akpororo. I call him Young Prince, am I correct?
Confirm.
Young Prince, what's up, how you doing?
I greet you specially.
I greet you especially. So tell me how super excited you are to be here tonight.
Excited. One, we thank God for the gift of life,
Right.
and I thank God for this program
Okay.
today.
Okay, so looking through the list of the nominees, I could see that your boss was actually nominated for one of the categories that I can't really remember. How do you feel?
I feel great because I celebrate with him. It's not easy to get to the top,
know?
so I appreciate people who are at the top. So that when you get there, people come in with they appreciate you.
Right.
That's life. It rotates like this.
Okay. So guys, with me here is one of I would like to call him a legendary in this comedy industry because this is a great man that has actually gone outside Lagos, Adekola, Ibadan, Akure, name it, to have his comedy show. So I'm super elated to have comedian Benga Adenka, the first. Good evening, boss.
Good evening. The
How
pleasure
you
is mine.
doing?
I'm good.
All right, so tell me how super excited you are to be here tonight.
I'm very excited.
Right.
This is the first of its kind. Is a dream finally come
Right,
true.
yeah.
All our lives, we've heard about music awards,
Right,
Nollywood awards,
Nollywood
and all
awards,
that.
I'm one
And
of them,
and
yeah.
this is the first Humour Awards.
Right.
Big ups to all those who have put it together,
Right.
and big ups to all the comedians
Okay.
for this is like a culmination of all their efforts put together
Yes.
and coming to fruition. So
Okay.
big ups to the organizers, big
Right.
ups to all the comedians too.
Okay. Oh yes, with me here is another comedian right here, comedian MOP. What's going on?
I'm fine, I'm doing good.
Yes, you know one thing I like about your outfit is the fact that you're putting on this beret and it suits exactly what you're wearing. So tell me what inspired this outfit.
What inspired it is when I opened my wardrobe, the thing that was available. I can't come and lie.
You know?
Comedians don't lie, yeah.
You know? Okay, now let's talk about this award, the Humour Awards. Tell me how you feel about this award.
I feel great. I feel good. we've been waiting for this day for so long.
Right.
And then, you know, the comedy industry, the humor industry in Nigeria has done so well in entertainment generally, considering the situation that we are in.
Right.
You understand? So the humor industry has done so well, bringing humor to different people of different categories and different emotional problems to their doorstep. You can be in your closest closets and enjoy comedy. And now they have to be honored.
To grace the red carpet of the Humour Awards, the revolution is the legendary producer T.Y. Mish. What's going on, boss?
I'm good.
Good to see you again.
Same here.
How you doing?
I'm good, though. Very fine, man. Very well. I can't shout.
Right.
We're here to laugh.
You know. So tell me about the Humour Awards. What do you have to say about it?
Well, I think it's a beautiful initiative. I think it's high time. You know, the industry is ready for it. Yeah, it's a good time.
All right. So now, talking about the nominees of each category of the award, what do you have to say about all of them?
I'd like to say kudos to all of them because these guys have been hard workers. You know, they've been consistent. They've been very dedicated to the craft. You know, they've pushed the envelopes. You know, they've entertained us thoroughly. Personally, they've entertained me thoroughly, I must say. You know, so yeah, kudos to them. You know, and I wish them all the best.
Guys, with me here gracing the red carpet of the Great Humour Awards, I mean the Revolution era, is the one and only relationship coach. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for 18 Nasa. Yes, our relationship coach. What's going on?
Sorry, there's a error. You should get a humorous relation one. Not people get relationship, they do relationship coach.
I actually wanted to get that.
Hey!
Good evening, what's going on?
I'm fine, though.
How you doing?
Nice one, you got me.
How you doing? So tell me how super excited you are to be here tonight.
Very, very excited. I mean, this is the first of its kind. This is like a dream come true, you know, celebrating comedians, making us feel like, oh, we actually matter, you know, because, I mean, Nigerians sometimes behave like, oh, comedians don't have sense. Yeah, look at them, rats people, they're so messy, oh my God. No, we make you guys laugh. We matter. Yeah. So, I'm just really, really happy today, and I want this to continue. I would love to see how this plays out today. And big kudos to the organizers, people who came to think of something like this. It's amazing.
Talking about the man that just came back from the moon, I'm talking about the honeymoon. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, with me here is my mystery man, a man of wisdom, a man full of so many words. You would know, even from the way he carries himself. I present to you Ashiri Mystery.
Thank you, Black Red Carpet Goddess.
What's going on, boss?
Very fine, very
To
fine.
have you on this red carpet.
I'm excited.
Okay, so tell me, how do you feel about this Humour Awards?
Long overdue. Comedy is the seasoning, is the salt. Without comedy, music will collapse. Without comedy, dance will crash. So comedy has been that knot that is keeping everyone together. If you remove comedy, every other part of entertainment will collapse. So today we are celebrating the pillar of entertainment, which is comedy.
Oh yes, guys, it's becoming more fun and fun tonight. As I have with me another comedian tonight. I've been talking about the man with a great content when it comes to comedy skits online. If you're not familiar with this man, then I'm sorry, you don't know Buddy. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Baba Rex. What's going on?
You already know what's up, my people. Hello. Everybody was called.
You know? Okay, so Baba Rex, tell me, how do you feel about this award tonight?
I feel great. I feel like this is a nice platform. We've been waiting for it. This is an opportunity to appreciate creatives, skit makers, content creators. Let them know that we see your work, we appreciate you, and it will enable them to do more.
So ladies and gentlemen, talking about the main host of this prestigious award tonight, I'm talking about the Humour Awards. It's not the person that my brother
Just rub me smile. You are giving me humor.
You know?
Humor laced with madness.
You know?
Good
evening, boss. How you doing?
Me on say boss jare. Just say
Mommy Gio.
It would have been Mommy Joe because of the house. But I love that song so much. I was inspired. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Pata. And you talk about okay, anyway, we're talking about the Humour Awards.
Yes.
So that's what we're celebrating tonight. And I just think that it's not only one of the most brilliant initiatives ever, but the fact that we are honoring
people that I feel deserve all the accolades in the world. We don't pass them. We do the face music, to the face acting, to the face fashion.
Nollywood.
It's time to give the comedians their flowers.
Talking about the energy bank for your MCs, weddings, birthday, anything you can think of. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, I call him the small but mighty. Give it up for Mr. Relax.
The energy is this small because she just finished with their religion. So she's extending the right hand of fellowship.
Exactly.
I mean, I'm not in the mood right now.
That's what's going on. How you doing?
I'm great. You look amazing.
Thank you. You know. Okay, so I love this flowery jacket you put on.
Thank you so much.
Like you kill it on your outfit.
Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
I love about you. Okay, now let's talk about the Humour Awards. What do you have to say about this award?
Well, I'd say that I'm excited about this one because it's friends, there's family that are doing this stuff, and then they've tried so much. They started so low. They started like it wasn't going to be great, and then look at it today. Everybody's here. This is a huge award, and then it has come to stay. So I'm excited about the sponsors and everybody coming together to support this. It is long overdue, and we're celebrating it.
So, guys, we're still live here at the red carpet of the Humour Awards, and with me here is one of the men behind the camera, like one of the men, behind the camera, one of the men that actually goes all about supporting comedians, Nollywood, anything as regards the industry. I present to you Mr. Inka. Good evening, sir.
A very good evening to you.
Yes, it's such a great pleasure to meet with you tonight.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir, tell me something you know about the Humour Awards. What can you say about it?
Well, for me, I think it's just an opportunity to show appreciation.
Right.
We have people who have been making us laugh for so many years. Now it's our turn to make them laugh too.
Okay.
It's payback time. They've invested so much, their energy, their resources, their time in making us happy, in making us laugh. Now let them make them happy for once. Because in life they say what gets rewarded gets done.
Right.
Let's reward them, and they can do a whole lot more.
Okay, sir. So let's talk about the future. What future can you tell about the comedy industry?
Well, I think it's going to blow on us. It's something that happened on us by accident, but the reality is there. You see, and it's one industry where that craft is God-given.
Right. Yes, guys, we're still live here at the red carpet of the Humour Awards, and with me here is one of the most beautiful of them all. I'm talking about the beautiful Watoni, one of the ex-Big Brother female housemates. Give it up for her. What's going on?
I'm good.
Your outfit for me.
Thank you.
So tell me, how long did it take you to look this beautiful tonight?
Talking about that, about 2 hours, 3 hours.
As expected, you know now. Okay, so tell me, Watoni, what do you feel about this Humour Awards? What can you say about it?
It's an amazing idea, concept. The comedians should be
awarded.
Yeah.
Okay, so what words of encouragement do you have to say to the nominees of different categories of this award?
Each category is very difficult, so they are all still winners regardless.
My name is T.Y. Mix, and I'm here to present the Best Comedy Kid Awards. A comic acts below the age of 18. Someone who is very funny, extremely funny, very creative, and consistent under the year in review. The nominees are...
The nominees are Emanuela,
Case dismissed. Everybody, go to your house. Uncle Mark, please.
the Golden Boys,
Come on, man. You can get that buffed out. No.
Sabi Boy, Intelligent Stopper,
If me, I'm feeling something. Shebi, you know the dream. That if you still one thing in this house, I'm giving you times 50. Don't worry, bring it. I am there. Free replay.
And the winner is Sabi Boy. Hola. Congratulations. On behalf of the Humour Awards, we'd like to present this award to you. Wish you many more successes. 。
Jesus. I beg more daddy. Thank you very much. May God continue to bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Because you see, Miss Vic is single, she is searching, she's not married, and she's ready to mingle. Miss Vic, you must find husband tonight. Comedian will make you laugh now. You collect awards, you go, you'll be happy. What else? You know, with the award, they are giving money to spiritual money. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we want to bring out some special people, as I said, Ms. Vic.
We're bringing out some special comedians to entertain you all tonight. We're here for fun, vibes, and laughter. So without further ado, it's actually going to be a surprise. So sit back, relax, and anybody you see on this stage, just clap and shout, you know the vibes. Still moving muscle. We'll be right back. Should we want to change?
Help me roll this mic so it will walk.
Sorry.
In the building. Ladies and gentlemen, an icon is in the building. A national treasure is in the building. The one, the only, formidable monument to mankind, Chief Plugtv.ng!
We're very honored to have you here, sir. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence.
Everybody, clap for Chief Plugtv.ng one more time. Daddy, I have one question for you. If I came to your house dressed like this, and I told you that I wanted to pay your daughter's bride price, Daddy, no lie. No lie, I enter. Chief Plugtv.ng, I'm here to pay for your daughter's bride price. Daddy, wait till you go talk.
Tell me, come on, this can first.
Mike,
Daddy, I no go for, no worry. I deal with you. Ladies and gentlemen, I can see Sir Julius Abu in the building as well. I go there. Make some noise, everybody! So Daddy, I came to, look at me well now, with my Adekola shoe, with my Daddy Gio hat of grace. Everything, shine, print. And I said I wanted to pay your daughter's bride price.
Are you sure?
I am more than sure.
Nevertheless, we are not only sure. Like I want to go to marriage, when you are dressed like this, and you enter, how many women can you pregnant?
Oh shit! Don't worry. Daddy, you have finished work. The new masquerade has spoken. But Daddy, look at that lady on stage. If your son brought her home, Miss Vic, walk that walk. This is my wife to be. How would you welcome her to the household?
My son, who understand? So, in the society, the one you saw are this one that are like Odunlade. Anyone you wanted, go back to the society and look for the one you will marry.
And of course, King Plugtv.ng is in the building as well. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. But wait, Miss Vic, there is someone that is looking like Pirates of the Caribbean tonight. Have you seen this person? The one and only, the formidable Bovi. Now Chris Wick you wear so. Now my leather jacket you wear so. But you just stand up for me, they know say na you. Be the you will wear this clothes. Make some noise for Bovi the building. Okay, now my clothes you know wear. Okay. No, you have to turn. They want you to turn around. Stand it here. I remember there was a point in time, Bovi did a countdown of the most influential women in the world. And everybody was waiting for number one. People thought he would say Mercy Johnson, Dora Kuluyi, Ngozi Okoye. Bovi, the African localism wish. And let's not forget the king himself is in the building. The man who built the hospital he was born in. Make some noise for Ali Baba! Ali Baba. I remember when you had your show, buy shares and not shares. And the ushers miscalculated and lost money. And all of us were held accountable. You see, when you have money, when you are a big guy, you are big. Ali Baba just answered. I said, what's the problem? We said, sir, we can't account for 100%, just 100,000 and you're all looking confused. Don't worry, come to my house tomorrow, I'll have after party for you. Ali Baba, you are a blessing to this generation. You know that you did not call our press at all, you covered our shade. Because we're all calculating that we're going to refund that 100K. Music, who's coming up next?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we're going to introduce to you Adekola! Make some noise, please.
Make some noise for the talented lyrical messiah, the one and only Adekola! Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a good one.
Ladies and gentlemen, Watoni Sugar Girl.
We are presenting the award for Best Comedy Club, a comedy club that has been consistent in the projection and development of new comedy acts under the year in review. Let's see the nominees.
Humorality with Ashiri. PH Comedy Club by Angel the Laugh. Capital Comedy Club with Shortcut.
Comedy Club.
First of all, good evening Lagos, good evening Nigeria. I want to thank every one of our senior colleagues who made the greatest sacrifice by creating this path for us to trend. Julius Ago, thank you very much for creating the path from Port Harcourt. Ali Baba, thank you for being a great inspiration to this young and creative generation. And to everyone who cares to dream, dream as far as your eyes can take. Continue to see, make bands, and of course, you are the next history others will read for. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Award for the best sitcom. Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome Vandora.
People! I'm so excited. So I'm going to be reading the sitcom of the year. So a TV or online sitcom that is extremely funny, consistent, has good quality production, large following, and consistent under the year in review. And the nominees are...
Sitcom of the year. The nominees are My Flatmates.
I have 50 naira cash. I want to buy a car of 1.5. Yes. How am I going to buy the car? You already have. You will use it and pay advance. No, I said so.
Jennifer's Diary.
You know that you need son of hands. When they say money is hands. Ah, that's the hands. We sing bully thought. He hides his power.
The Johnsons.
Well, sorry. When you turned my house into a scam center last year, Deputy, which apology did I get from you?
Papa Ajebo.
Do you have manpower?
You dey ask for manpower?
Yes.
The way I get, it pass manpower.
No Superman power.
Please give them a round of applause. It's not easy to act and make you laugh. It's an art form, okay? And the award goes to my flatmate.
I wear flat shoe once in a lifetime. No, I will go back. Oh. If you know that you do not want your children to look like me, make some noise. Aha! Now we're talking. Without talking too much, I always tell people you cannot create fundamental change without a certain level of madness. And that is what every single comedian has put into their hustle. Madness is non-conformity. So when I say you are mad, it's an acronym for making a difference. So look at your neighbor and tell your neighbor, neighbor, you must be mad. You must be mad to survive. Right now, we're bringing up on stage 3 amazing, industrious, resourceful, creative geniuses who we know and love as comedians. Guess what? Without a pencil, they will draw your attention. Give it up for the unshakable, the unstoppable, the unequaled, the unparalleled MC Bob, Shortcut, and Adekola.
Put www.usa.com. If na Libya self, put www.libya.com. If the country page not open, they'll give you a link where go direct you to the home page of that country. But if they born you well, type www.nigeria.com and they wait, type on. Just type on and then you tell me the result. No, wait till they talk.
Under construction.
Huh?
Under construction.
Not if the error is good.
Under construction.
Huh? This site is under construction. We don't get control. This country don't under construction. Now, una think say na Buhari be una problem. Buhari is not your problem. I will give you some things here. You go know say not be really Buhari be your problem. All of us for this country we get our own problem. Do you know that it's only in this country you go see where the right food is ready? My brother, you go reach there, the shop not even open. Now only this country you go Barbie salon. As you reach the salon, you see Craig David picture, you see Obama picture. One man go come tell you say, no, let me look like the 45th president of America. Can you make me look like Obama? Baba will tell you say, now I work now. Sit down. You go sit down. As they barb you, you really resemble Obama. Oh. Because the idiots they use powder, they carve you. If they burn you well, stand up, go bath. Immediately you bath, you be Nnamdi. You not be any Obama. And who put this law say if you dey shop, you must shop finish before you shop fish or meat? You know say poverty go just give you some law, you go dey obey am naturally. You don't know why you dey obey am. In short, every spirit of poverty, Holy Ghost. You know say, especially for rainy season, you go sit down inside Molo and begin to speak stupid grammar. Madam, let me adjust this. I'm not comfortable. It's like rain is touching me. You want comfortable, now you not drive your own car. Can they think anyhow? As I dey waka so, make I just see 2 million quick for that. For this Buhari era. Now, as they talk about poverty, you know understand. The worst form of poverty now when poverty don't enter your blood, you begin defend them. You don't see where poor people they defend poverty. As you see us too, we not dey like put our pikin for private school. They not really dey teach anything in our life, they dey teach something. Somebody see me the other day, say short family. As you see me so, I know they like sleep for mattress. And they like cold tight. They dey cold for my body. I said I die pneumonia like a king. No, they defend them so that God won't bless you, go bless you. You go see that they tell say, especially all these Android users. Android phone is the best. iPhone, you are not using your head. iPhone, you are not using your head. Tell them when they snap you picture now. Only you go phone, snap you. Okay, what you say? You got in your phone. If the picture good, why they do like this? Poverty will never be your portion in Jesus' name. Come big boys area like this now. If you see crusade title to go church, go be hungry. You see things like on wings like the eagles. Our God reigns. Higher ground. New level. Grace greater. Gaining momentum 2021. You see crusade title. Go pour my area. If you hear crusade, you go all run for your life. What you go see now, kill them before they kill you. My enemy will announce my glory, not my blood. I see one crusade for Adekola, who took my wedding garment. I say, wait. Now you dey drive for big boys area too. Adverts when they show for big boys, very inspiring captions. You see things like mini chin, break the bottom. Peak is in you. Star, premium quality, shine on. You dey see advert? Go poor people area. First of all, they don't need radio, they don't need jingle, they don't need any of these billboard. All you need 5 a.m. early in the morning for all those guys Ilaje, Langbasa, Baduri. One idiot go just stand there, holla, my brother, my sister. That your belly when they make Staphylococcus aureus virus. That is why you need Dr. Igolo cleanser. If I dey try you clap, that's how it's done. If I never attend international award, that's how it's done. Now I live with this. Anything I talk, if na scam, reply me by saying scam. Because I read in the news that the China police have developed what they call facial recognition glass. The glass be like wetin it be like wetin Bovi wear so. For point of entry, you want to enter China. If you be thief, the glass they tell the police. You go to hear the glass go just tell the police that guy what they call thief. If you be Yahoo boy, they tell her Yahoo. If you be Rose guy, you go to hear Olosh. Why Nigeria police don't improve? Since they born me, that police healers they always squeeze. Then I know this. Who they jam police motor? Because you don't get how you high reach. If you see police motor, you go know. No, who they jam police motor? I mean that they rent and give them rubber. No, because I don't understand. Now, anything I talk, reply me by saying, hello, the police is your friend. Bail is free. Go to school, get a good grade, you will see a good company to work for. You know you are just like a sister to me. If you visit me, does that mean anything will happen? Even if you are naked, my body will not move me. Ladies and gentlemen, the coalition family, God bless you guys. Very good.
Coming on stage, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for...
And yes, we have come to the end of the Humour Awards 2021, the first of its kind in Nigeria. This is me saying a big congratulations to the winners. And if you know you didn't get to win, but you were actually nominated, there is another time for you. I mean, next year is another time for people to root out for you. Don't be discouraged. So this is me saying a big thank you and also a job well done to the organizers of this great award tonight. And of course, our amazing host, Terele, and also Miss Vic, that did a wonderful job tonight, and I must say I had fun. Okay guys, we'll be keeping it locked down right here to say bye bye to you guys, as your girl will be gracing your screen Again, it's your girl Anybody right here on Plug TV. If you're here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please endeavor to like, to share, and to whatever the video you want to do it. All right. Good night. See you some other time.